Hi Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I've been dying to do a nail art video inspired of that photo that I showed you at the start of my video, but I never really had the sort of all the stamping images that I needed. Particularly one was this bike and the couple sort of looking like this, but thanks to this Uberchic plate I can now attempt to do this mani. I am going to be using a shrinking technique, which is what I am showing you now. So you would take your stamper head out of the holder first, and you kind of just like squeeze it, press down, and then it shrinks it down. It can take a little bit of a while to get used to, but I got this technique from Swanette from Nail Stamp for Fun. So I'm really pleased about it. So I sort of managed to shrink it down so it fit properly on the nail. And now I'm going to be doing making a image sort of larger. So lots of techniques in this one. So you would stamp it normally, and then you take it out and you kind of like pinching it all in. This one's a little bit more difficult than it is to shrink an image, but as you can see there, it kind of just like stretches the image. And I'm just going to apply it there on the nail, just because I wanted the tree to sort of come over longer. So I will get rid of all the bits that I don't want. And to add like the base of the tree, I'm just going over it again, but I'm just doing this normally, but with a clear jelly stamper, just so I can line it up properly. Sorry, all you can see is my dirty glove hand, but there you go. So that's what I wanted to do. So then to cover over the bike, which is what you see in the picture, I'm using this sort of larger tree trunk base. Again, it's another Uberchic plate. I'm just going to get rid of the bits that I don't want, and then I'm placing that over the top like so. So can you see that there? Just adds a little bit more detail, and I sort of filled in the trunk just so it was a bit more like solid. And then I'm using this for the grass that I put at the bottom of it. So again, just get rid of the bits that you don't want, and I place it on the bottom, like, you know, where the wheel goes into. And then obviously I just got like a brush and filled this in with the stamping polish, so it's the same polish, just to get that look that I needed. So moving on, I used this clear jelly stamper for the moon image. So it was great. It's just what I needed for that nice round image. And I actually used the smaller tree because I just wanted that pointy bit, because obviously in the picture the tree kind of goes over to the moon. And I did add a bird from this same image as well on the moon. And I'm so sorry for the camera shake. It's ridiculous. I kept knocking it as I was doing what I was doing. So then with this one, I'm just adding the couple first, and I've gone ahead and applied the grass detail, and then I'm just putting some dots, because there's like lots of different like flowers and butterfly things that are on the grass part of it. So yes, I'm using many Uberchic plates today. Again, sorry for the camera shake. And I'm shrinking these balloons down just because it would have just been too big. And I'm just placing it on the top like so. And I just filled in that little bit that I missed on the balloon. And then obviously there's like different hearts going around these balloons as well. So I did it with red first. Ideally, I think I could have done with using a smaller heart, or maybe shrinking this down. But I just did it as it did, as I did, because I just couldn't be bothered to keep shrinking images down. So there you go. I did use a smaller image on the other one, and you've got some butterfly images there. And I used the Uberchic tree thing for the sort of pinky finger. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a top coat. I am going to leave this in a matte top coat. And obviously you'd need to put this underneath your lamp for the amount of time that you need for your matte polish or gel polish, glossy finish, sorry. So this is the end look, and I really hope you guys love it as much as I did. I've literally had this photo in my album for months, maybe even over a year. So it was a long time coming, but I'm very glad that I've got round to doing it, and I just love it. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So So yes, I'm really pleased. I'm not always great at doing like landscape imagery going across all of the nails, but I managed to do it with this one. So I hope you guys like it. So that's it for today, Jelly Babes. Thank you so much for coming and taking the time to watch this video. Please press that free subscribe button if you've not already done so. And here's some of the videos that you may have missed. So take care, Jelly Babes. Bye.